Guys, welcome back to our channel Eternal Traveler. My name is Anshika. I hope everyone is doing great and staying safe at their place. First of all, I am shooting the 50th video of my channel. I cannot believe I have completed 50 videos, like half century I have completed. Kudos to everyone फॉर बीइंग देयर विद मी, जिन्होंने ये वीडियो देखी एंड आप लोगों की मोटिवेशन के वजह से ही मैंने ये वीडियो बनाई एंड आगे भी बनाती रहूँगी. लेट्स होप कि हम 100 वीडियोस जल्दी कंप्लीट करेंगे. येस, सो वेलकम टू द सेकेंड एपिसोड ऑफ होटल रिव्यू सीरीज़. एंड यहाँ मैं बात करना चाहूँगी ITC होटल अमृतसर के बारे में, ITC वेलकम होटल इन अमृतसर के बारे में. ओके, तो बिफोर आई go ahead with the video, I would like to thank Manveen and Ashish for being there and showing the extended support to us. And now let's see how the hotel looks, and then we'll check out my review and how was my experience in that hotel. So please go and check that out, and let's see what's there in their hotel shown by Manveen. See you guys later. Can you please tell it again about this building?
Yeah, so this building that you're standing is 105 years old building. That's the reason the ceiling is a little higher and the walls are thicker than what we usually have in a modern house, you know?
Yeah.
Plus, that the hierarchy is there. That's a hierarchy. This building was a residential property of Mr. Buddha Singh. He was the Raja of this area called Raja Sasi actually. Okay. Right? And this comes down to the hierarchy. We've left with Mr. Buddha Singh. Mr. Buddha Singh comes down to Mr. Amrit Singh and Mr. Nirvan Singh. That's the hierarchy, right? So, if you see, come across, these are the 4 pictures that we have from the old building.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so this is the old building, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just bit of, refurnished like that. They can't put down any wall as such. The walls remain as it is.
Probably it was the palace earlier, now it has been transformed into a building.
This part remains as it is, just the room part has been reconstructed, that's all. Okay. Right? And this is the old picture, this is Mr. Buddha Singh, right? And this is his family around.
Still owned by these people only, or
ITC has just taken 4 lease.
okay. But the lease is still in their name only, the people who actually have this property.
Actually, I've also opened in Katra as well. Katra, we have also opened in Bhubaneswar. In Katra, they did not have it earlier. They opened in Chair as well. Okay. Just last month opening in Chair and 2 weeks opening back in Jammu. Okay. So second there are upgraded. We are giving one on the floor that has pool and at the same time जहाँ पे spa भी है. So you can manage it.
Oh wow, this is a new.
See, we're running very careful with the COVID.
Yeah.
So we made sure there's, you know, a touch sensitive.
Okay.
So you just press it like that, a little bit far, and वो आपका capture कर लेगा.
Okay.
Nice.
So new things in here.
Yeah.
This has not been placed in any other
No,
area.
no, yeah,
I've seen
absolutely.
through many and
So we staying
Out there, everywhere for, you know, biodegradable and non-biodegradable as well. The electricity, the water has been again, water has been used, electricity has been produced in the house itself from windmills in Kolkata. The central place there.
Okay.
If you see around, we've made sure that the structure here is closely related to Punjab and everything. You walk around the rooms, आपको हर जगह एक ना अमृतसर और गोल्डन टेम्पल का
Feel आएगा.
Because we put down pictures like that.
So you're not far off from there. You're close to them.
Pretty much. Pretty much. The prints that you see on the carpet and everywhere, वो हमेशा हम लोग उस चीज का, you know, vibe लेके आना चाहते हैं. You can look around the picture as well.
Yeah. So golden temple. Aren't you?
Yeah.
No.
With the mirror
Yeah.
as well.
That's nice, right?
ये क्या करना है 11th फ्लोर सॉरी ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ना
We have two lifts for the people staying on the ground floor. One is this one. The other is which we came from.
Okay.
So you can press 2 from this place.
Okay.
Reception restaurant is on 2, so you can press 2 from this place, reach the reception.
Okay.
I'm going to show you this one. Here's one. Pretty much the only property with pool operational, and we run careful with the COVID as well at the same time.
Yeah, nice.
Putting separate a baby pool and an adult pool. With a length of approximately 2.5 and 5.5 feet.
Okay. I think yours is the only hotel that we've seen with such a COVID precaution because we came from Nevada right now and we were really upset over there.
He's the lifeguard that we have. Hi.
So what time is it operational? I mean in the
Pool
evening?
is 7 to 8.
8.
Come and show you this one.
Okay, let's. That's the gym area, right? Yeah.
You're entering the spa now. This is the male changing room, female changing room.
Okay.
She's the spa manager here. Hi.
Namaste.
Sauna steam will be complimentary to you.
Okay.
So you can book the slots for sauna steam for both male and female adults considering. There has to be a specific slot booking that has to be done because we have plenty of guests coming in.
Alright.
So there has to be a
So
slot.
I'll come after some time.
Yeah,
Once
sure.
I get comfortable and then
We have the menu as well here. In case you want any kind of services, saloon is operational, spa is operational 100%. At the same time, pool, gymnasium, our welcome cafe Fulkari is all operational.
Okay.
Okay.
She's
Nice.
wanting to look like a full card as well. She's sort of making full card.
This is our salon area.
Oh,
Okay.
nice. Okay, so it's here as well.
Yes. We for head wash, for
Okay.
pedicure, and if you manicure and for other services like some.
We do. She's very good with makeup as well, so we have
Yeah.
makeup.
But we don't do makeup actually.
If you want,
Just to
Yeah.
if there's a need for you.
also salon services all of it.
Each and everything
okay.
is here.
Alright. So you got the menu for the saloon as well?
Yes, we have. Please come this way.
Please, sir.
Go ahead. Spa and facial room. That's Kamal and Kesar.
Okay.
We'll put down names accordingly so that again,
Yeah.
सब कुछ हमारा
I know.
पंजाब का relate करना है.
Absolutely, absolutely. Case of the tower next case.
Nice.
No, but it's a beautiful ambience that we have seen around.
The banquet name
Absolutely.
is Soneri.
Okay.
The boardroom name is Tejas. So it's everything that too.
Absolutely.
Right.
It's
The
been
more
well
of
documented.
connected to Punjab all
we
the
make-
time.
yeah, because we have guests traveling from abroad as well. We
Absolutely.
have 2 people already staying from, one is from Berlin, one is from UK today.
Okay.
So we make sure कि उनको they get entirely into a Punjab culture.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
The food served here, if you try out food other than your 3-meal package, in case अगर आपको कुछ खाना हो, try out the thali here.
Okay.
That's the basic thing we have that's very famous
Alright.
यहाँ के होटल की.
Okay.
Come.
Thank you. I can see this very fruitful around. I mean, because there are no guests here as well.
We are a sold out position since last 3 days.
Yeah. 3 days. So yeah,
Oh, there is a huge mirror.
very different from others.
It's really big property.
It's a huge one.
Our total of 101 rooms.
Okay.
And the next part of this hotel is we have this PWD room as well, which is for specially abled people.
Okay, okay.
Oh
Or
wow.
old people. Like अगर आपके बहुत old grandparents आते हैं, who cannot walk and everything, उनके पास sitting area shower के साथ है, bed lower position पे, chair lower position पे,
Okay,
handles
nice.
सारे बिल्कुल एक distance पे हैं ताकि आप access कर सकें. So that's a benefit that we have.
Where's that room if
You wanna
we
have
can
a look?
put it there as a special addition to it? Probably.
That's our room. Oh, they do have the bathtub as well.
We have upgraded you to a completely
Yeah.
different room.
Thank you so much.
So you have a pool view room. That's the highest category of room we have as well.
Okay.
Whatever time you would request for an extra bed, we'll place it,
Yeah, yeah.
right? And dial 0 for in case you need anything.
Alright.
Okay, so it's a pool view. Really nice. Oh my god, this is something huge. This is one sitting area. I guess this is a bar, which is not operational currently. This is another sitting area. It's really nice. Oh, this is the stairs. Then he's coming. Oh wow. Yes, this is operational. Oh, it's a rooftop terrace. Get the full ITC view from here. Amazing property.
Cuisine, sir.
Okay.
So we used to serve kebabs and curries here, sir.
Okay.
Authentic kebabs and curries like our big
Okay. So is it still operating or?
It's operational, sir, from 7:30 to 11 o'clock, sir.
Okay. And anybody staying apart outside can also come and visit the
Sir, anyone can come, but only the packaged food that is only in the all the dining
I
restaurant.
know. Because ours is a package, that's why we cannot try here. But next time,
Sure,
when
sir.
we stay at some other place and we can come.
Yes, sir, anytime, sir. But we are operational right now only on the weekends.
Okay.
But maybe in 10-15 days we can open throughout the week, sir.
Great.
Okay, so it's only for weekends that you're
Only on the
operational.
weekends. till
For
then.
now.
For the rest,
For now
okay,
on.
that's why when I checked in the Google map, it was coming closing at 12, and
Yes, ma'am.
that's how it was coming up. Okay.
Only on the weekend it's operational right now.
Even the Tejas also is a restaurant or?
Tejas is like in a boardroom. sir.
Boardroom.
Yes, sir.
Alright. And you don't have a separate bar available?
Sir, bar is there, sir. I will show you the bar. It's not operational right now, sir.
Okay, still.
Thank you.
You will-
Probably when we come next time, so we can plan those things, right?
My name is Ashish. I used to take care of the basically kebabs and curries.
Okay, alright. That's why he said the right person is coming, we can ask him.
If you have the downstairs, the timing is by 7:50, sir. This is the basically bar, sir.
Okay.
It's not operational right now, so that's why it's
Yeah. So in room it's available. If you order, you can send it to us, right?
yeah, the drinks is available, sir. If you
Available.
want to have in the restaurant also, you can
Okay, we can
have the drinks.
ask them to do
This is
it.
the bar area here, sir.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, I saw this. The room is pretty good.
Yeah, comfortable and good.
Yeah.
I like the pictures, which are here in the lobby as well. Very nice pictures. Very old authentic
It has
pictures.
been taken during the pre-opening time, sir. There is a
Okay.
photograph. These are all the pictures taken by some of the photographers, sir.
Yeah, professional, I believe.
Yes, sir.
That's why they're very good pictures. See, the old kind of a home and
So that
Yeah.
is what Maneen was also telling, that it's
Yeah.
very close to Punjab, that
Yes.
the culture that is.
Because this is like a koti of Raja, the Raja of Raja
she
Sindhi
told
wala.
us. Yeah.
Even if I was looking from outside.
So this is the only portion which is the koti, right?
Yeah, this is the only portion, sir. Like the restaurant downstairs, the reception, this bar, and the
Okay, this building
this
entirely
entire
is
building, and the rooms and the banquet hall are newly
newly
constructed.
constructed, right? But
There is a
still,
thing-
they also give that feeling of
Old. like-
old, yeah.
Only the interior is new, sir,
Okay.
and the rest of the things are old one only. Like the
Okay.
you are
We have seen
these all.
chandeliers and all. Ceiling is also quite high.
Yes, sir. These doors are like same before only. sir.
Okay, you have not changed.
Yeah, just did the interior to this one, sir.
The rest,
This
the
is
height
basically-
and everything is design
This
is
is
also
basically
same.
the main attraction of bar. Pink room we use.
Yeah, I just saw this. It's you can just go and
You can
check
just
it
go,
out.
ma'am.
Pink room.
It's really pretty.
Wow. Nice.
That's why I said that.
This is the main attraction of bar, sir. People used to come and sit, like 10 to 12 people used to come and have drinks here.
Right. So don't worry. Soon everything will be all right.
Yes, sir.
Everybody again, it will be
Yes, sir.
completely filled and
Absolutely, yeah.
yeah, people will be coming here and
We've got a beautiful
enjoying.
place, undoubtedly.
Yeah.
So we used to stay, mostly in the room.
Yes, sir. I can understand that, sir.
Yeah.
So you are from Ritsar or
Delhi.
Delhi?
Yeah.
For how many days you are here, sir?
This is our third day.
Outside.
Yeah, we saw this as well right now.
The room view is that side, sir.
Yeah.
You can have a look of the like banquet hall is there.
Yes, on the right hand side it's the banquet room.
Complete banquet hall.
In
Yeah.
the center we have Baradari.
Baradari.
Yeah. What is that? Actually, ma'am, this is like we used
Sitting
to do any
place?
sitting like a marriage is going on any mandap or you set up for that one we can use that one.
I think that's
Yes, sir. You can go there, sir. You can have
there. I believe उसके सामने.
Where you talking about? Which one you talking about? Here?
here, ma'am. Baradari is there in the center.
नीचे जहाँ हम कह रहे थे लाइट.
Here or that side?
In the center, ma'am. There.
Okay.
there.
You can go from the ramp. You can just take the
No,
stairs.
we went till that area. We did see that area. Somebody did tell us that it's a banquet hall. Somebody tell us about it.
The breakfast is there only.
Okay.
Tomorrow breakfast is there only, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll shoot at that time, no?
Cool.
Just get
Just check once.
Yes, it's there. Okay. Oh, I was thinking that it's kind of a lamp.
It's just for the hanging on these.
So
Okay.
this is dal makhani,
Yeah, it's paneer butter masala.
paneer butter masala,
What's this? Because we don't have
mutton mushroom,
Aloo vadiya,
aloo vadiya. This is Punjabi special aloo vadiya.
aloo peas, pulao.
Green pulao, yeah.
This is vegetable fried rice and tofu and mushroom and black
It's
peas.
getting refilled all these items.
No worries. Fish with chili garlic sauce, okay?
In the time you can just have it on this one. Chicken
What
with-
is okay?
Chicken with rosemary.
Okay.
So what is potato leones?
Like basically the baked potatoes, man.
Okay.
Baked potatoes getting ready.
Okay. And vegetable is agna. Okay. This is yet to be ready.
Non-veg section as well.
These are the soup that is getting ready, man. These are the
Okay.
salad.
These are the salads
Wow, so much of variety of salads, right?
and
This is
papad.
tikki chaat, yeah.
So they have in small portions. Yeah, that's great.
This
You
is
can
raita.
just take your portion
And you can make your own choice of raita.
and also you can just also prepare your masala papad as well.
Sure, sure. We'll do it again.
This side is the non-veg section here. So the lal mas is there.
Lal mas, okay.
I think Lal Mas is pretty famous.
Yes, Rajasthani.
And murg pulao
Murg pulao and butter chicken.
and the butter chicken.
She's longing to have a good butter chicken.
We have to so we have lemon tart here, tandoori rasmalai here, mishri malai,
Do you like desserts, right?
the baked jamun, and the hot chocolate makhai.
Okay, I can see what I want to have in desserts.
Brownie you already had in other.
Yeah. Because of the COVID, they have kept this as lift man. So if you want to go upstairs from lift, you can just press it with your foot. And if you want to go down, you can do the same. Right now we are going on the 3rd floor again. Yeah. Yes, come.
Again, this can be
And this is also
sensitive.
it has a sensor, so if you just click on, like, you can just touch it and there you can see
need not
that.
to touch it even as well. You can just bring your.
No, you need to touch.
No, you can just keep it little away and then also select it. That's why, otherwise touch करना तो वहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं ना. It says do not touch. It's just a kind of a wherein yeah.
This is pineapple juice, cold coffee, mixed fruit juice. Then they have lassi, rose lassi, fruits,
Kiwi.
kiwi,
Pineapple.
pineapple and papita.
Papaya. Papita is also good.
Cold milk. Then you have maple syrup and honey. पता नहीं क्यों.
इसमें डालने के लिए ना.
इसमें थोड़ी डाल.
अरे बाबा, when you prepare this thing ना,
Cornflakes में.
cornflakes में डालते हैं बेटा. People like it ना. That's their choice ना. They can choose any of these cornflakes and the toppings.
This is curd, flavored curd.
Yeah.
Then muesli, cheese platter, lettuce, coffee, chicken salad.
Yeah, if you want to put it in your sandwiches or something, that's right.
These are cakes.
Muffins and cakes. Donuts,
Pizza,
yeah,
donuts,
so much of.
donuts and donuts and donuts.
You can relish this, you know, they are so wonderful.
Yeah.
This is bread to toast. You can put jam or butter.
Then we have chicken sausages.
Chicken sausages. You're not going to open it.
Boiled eggs.
Boiled eggs. We can open this. Baked
Sauteed
beans
corn
and
baked beans.
sauteed corns and baked beans.
Hash brown.
Yeah, my favorite hash brown.
आलू टिक्की घर पे तो
Kind
बोलो
of.
जरा कि घर पे तो फेवरेट नहीं है.
Tomatoes.
Grilled tomato.
Grilled tomatoes.
सूजी उपमा.
Suji halwa. Upma.
उपमा.
That
इडली.
idli. Okay, so they've taken care of every
मेंदू वड़ा.
taste. Yeah.
Okay,
South Indian
सांबर.
sambar.
That's पनीर भुर्जी.
Wow. Bread paneer bhurji हमने खाई थी ना वहाँ. Awesome. तारा चंद की.
Then this is Amritsari chola. I guess it must be with the
Kulcha.
kulcha. It's a live counter where you can have dosa and omelette. Hope you liked whatever she's showed us. And मतलब जो भी जैसा होटल दिखता है, जो भी होटल में है, आपको ये देख के अच्छा लगा होगा. Plus how Ashish told us about their kebabs restaurant. Okay, so now coming back to my review. So as you guys know, मैं 5 चीज़ों पे रिव्यू देती हूँ: फूड, हॉस्पिटैलिटी, एम्बियंस, स्टे and my experience. So first of all, I'll talk about food. Food was amazing. Like it was 5 on 5 for me क्योंकि हमने वहाँ पे डिनर किया था. हमने वहाँ पे लंच, डिनर एंड ब्रेकफास्ट किया था क्योंकि हमारा एक दिन का स्टे था. एंड हमारा तीनों इंक्लूडेड था, तीनों मील्स इंक्लूडेड थी, विच वाज लंच, ब्रेकफास्ट एंड डिनर. सो एवरीथिंग वाज इंक्लूडेड एंड फूड वाज यम्मी. ट्रस्ट मी, हर एक क्विजीन अच्छी थी, बहुत अच्छी थी. सो फूड 5 on 5. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू एम्बियंस. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट एम्बियंस, आपको लगता है इतना सुंदर होटल और मैं इसको 5 से कम रेट दे सकती हूँ? मैं इतनी नाइंसाफ़ी नहीं कर सकती. सो 5 on 5 फॉर दैट. नेक्स्ट आई विल टॉक अबाउट माई स्टे. सो स्टे वॉज सुपर कंफर्टेबल. Yes, so I'll also rate it 5 on 5. Next comes hospitality. अगर कोई हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजर या कोई कबाब रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर आपसे आके स्पेशली आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कराना है, सो हॉस्पिटैलिटी क्या होगी? 5? Obviously 5. So this is only because of both of them, Ashish and Manveer. This hospitality, you guys deserve this 5 on 5. Because of you we had the best experience. Okay, so experience से याद आया. Now 5th point is experience. So experience, of course I said that उन दोनों की वजह से हमारा experience बहुत अच्छा था. So hats off, hands down, 5 on 5 for this hotel. एंड माई ओवरऑल रिव्यू, ऑफकोर्स मैं हर चीज़ को 5 दे रही हूँ तो ओवरऑल भी मेरा 5 होगा क्योंकि स्टे से लेके फूड तक देयर वॉज नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ इन एनी थिंग. आपको कहीं पे कुछ वेट नहीं करना पड़ रहा. आप मतलब जैसे ही आप आते हैं, दे हैव द बेस्ट कोविड प्रिकॉशंस. प्रिकॉशंस कहेंगे नहीं, अगर आपका मतलब जब एंट्री में जैसे कि आपने चेक किया, जब हम लोग एंटर कर रहे थे तो उनका सैनिटाइज़र रखा है आपका, क्योंकि कॉन्टैक्टलेस हो तो इन्होंने मशीन रखी हुई है जिससे आपका टेम्परेचर चेक होता है एंड आपके सारी चीज़ें सैनिटाइज करी जाती हैं, आपके बैग्स, एवरीथिंग इज सैनिटाइज्ड एंड देन यू कैन एंटर इन द होटल. सो एक्सपीरियंस पूरा हो ही नहीं सकता. सो आई वुड लाइक टू से ITC Welcome has given me the best experience till now that I had in Amritsar, to be very honest about it. And this is the second hotel, like first is Sarovar, of course. Sarovar के बाद ITC is the one I will look upon to visit next time as well. This was my review about ITC Welcome Hotel. Now we'll meet you in my next hotel series, क्योंकि इसके बाद भी होटल के 2 होटल्स आने वाले हैं. सो बी रेडी फॉर दैट. वो दोनों भी अच्छे होटल्स हैं, लेकिन लेट्स सी उनके क्या रिव्यूज़ और क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा, मैं सब शेयर करूँगी. विल मीट यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you feel like, and also you can share it with your friends, family, with whosoever you would like to visit this place. Thank you. Bye bye.